All right, guys, it's about 6:30 in the morning. What time is it? 6:45, 6:50?
I have no idea.
Anyways, it's about a 30-minute drive out here, guys. We've got a group of guys, about 9 of us, and we're just going to do a fun little tournament today, guys. It was actually just a little trip, 2 or 3 of us, and it kind of turned into this group message on Facebook. Everybody kind of talking smack, and it ended up being 9 of us. We're out here on one of our local lakes, and we're going to do like a 7:30 to about 1 o'clock. Just a little friendly tournament, guys. We're gonna have a little identifier. Everybody's gonna have their boards, take pictures, submit the fish, and it's gonna be fun, guys. It's gonna be super fun. So let's get it. Everybody's pulling up right now. We're gonna get loaded and get this day started, boys. Let's get it. Eric, let's do 1 o'clock. We're gonna do 1 o'clock. All right, guys. Good luck, boys. Saying, guys, it's just a little friendly tournament. This was just a little trip with me and Eric and a couple buddies, and we got a little group message. Everybody started chit-chatting back and forth. Decided to turn it into like a little $10 entry fee just for fun. Ended up being 8 of us, so winner take all, 3 fish, over 12 inches. So everybody's got their boards and stuff, so it's gonna be a fun little day. We got till 1 o'clock. It's about 7 o'clock right now. Fish on. Feels like a pretty good one too, guys. First fish of the morning already. Right off this dock. Oh. Right here off this dock. Pretty sure he'll go 12 too, so. Man, this kayak is a muddy mess, guys, from that boat ramp. Number 1. Starting the morning out with a little small finesse jig, guys, and we've got just a little young bait, little crawl on the back of it, green pumpkin. So starting out natural, with pretty clear water today, so we're gonna throw something a little natural. We're gonna try to get right around this corner back into this little cut here. I figured there'd be a fish right off that dock, and there was, so. See what time it is. 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. 9, 10, 11, 12. We still got 4 hours left. We got 1 fish. I've been on the water for about 2 hours now. So. One thing I did notice is that I did catch that first fish off the dock out on the main channel. Since I've pushed back into these cuts, or these coves, haven't got the first bite, guys. I haven't seen any bait fish. I haven't seen anything jumping or anything. No topwater blow up. None of that. Got a fish on, guys. Stay down, buddy. Stay down. He's gonna be short and fat. Number 2. Fish is gonna be short for sure. He's super. He's only gotta go 12, so he might go. Oh yeah. Definitely being annoying. Look how fat that fish is, guys. He's got a little belly on him. Little dude, but I'll take it. It is, guys. Please be 12. Please be 12. He ain't gonna go 12. Little dude is nasty. Right off that little limb. 11 inches. Actually, a little less than 11 inches. His mouth was open, so. Number 3 though for the day. Too bad he wasn't a keeper. That was on the Deadly Nedley, guys. Decided to pick it up. A little bit deeper water. I feel like this Ned gets down there just a little bit quicker. I've noticed that all 3 of my fish have come off a little steeper and rockier banks. So you've got a lot of these banks that like come out at a really slight angle, and it's a lot more like broken up, like thin crushed rock, you know, more of a sand. But then you've got these rock walls that's got a lot of big boulders and a lot bigger rock with a little more of an angle, and that's what my 3 fish have came off of so far. So that's kind of what I've been trying to target. I've fished the other stuff, haven't got a bite. It's just been slow. I mean, really, at the end of the day, I'm not really sure we're on any kind of pattern. It's just trying to like slow down. I threw the spinner bait, threw the crankbait a ton. Nothing. Just slowing down, throwing that jig, and then I caught that little one on a, shall I say tiny, because I caught only got 2 little keepers, but I've got a tiny fish on the Ned that didn't keep, probably 10.5 inches. So I guess we're gonna work our way back out of this big cut and get back on the main channel and fish those rocks down through there and start working our way back towards the ramp. We've got about 1.5 hours left to fish. So guys, I guess let's head back over to the ramp and see who got a limit, see who's gonna go home with $80, see who's gonna go home a champion today. Calling the new Bonafide, boys. Yes, sir. How much we got there?
80 big.
80 bones.
Put a whooping on all of us.
80 smackaroos. That was fun, guys. Just hanging out and fishing, a little fun little tournament. Honestly, I just wanted to take Matt's money. That was the main thing. Taking Matt's money. All right, guys, there ended up being 8 of us today. We got Matt, Chris Franklin, Jason, Eric, Damien, Kyle. What's up, Kyle? Myself, and I forgot your name again. Jonathan. And Jonathan won it, guys. He got 3 fish for like, what'd you say, 40 and 3/4. So got him $80 today. Fun little tournament, guys. So yeah, with that said, guys, appreciate y'all watching. We're gonna get the kayaks loaded up, head out to the house. We got some trick-or-treating, guys. Got to take the kiddos trick-or-treating. So what up, Jason? How you liking the Frontier there? Frontier Outdoors, boys. Go check them out. Now this is going to be the end of the video, guys. Appreciate you all watching. Me and Matt decided to stop here at Retro Taco and have us a beer and eat us a little bit of food. And after Matt's, like I said, kind of first little tournament, guys. So yeah, subscribe, hit that like button. And we'll see you all maybe before November 19th, but we'll definitely see you all November 19th on Chick.